Mother Nature, your best friend in the golden glow of summer, or a threat to your property and life in extreme times. Across the planet we bear witness to the darkest moments of the planet's meteorological events, from wildfires created by lightning, tropical cyclones to the devastating floods. No country escapes lightly from the grips of Mother Nature. The climate is changing, whether you understand it or have experienced it, be it man-made or not. It's there throughout our daily lives here, especially in the UK, and we have our fair share of energetic weather. Since before records began, violent weather events have played across our green and pleasant lands, a whole spectrum of different events, like tornadoes.
What the hell is happening here?
The UK gets more tornadic activity per square mile than the United States, albeit mostly tame and less impressive. Not a year goes by without a memorable British-born twister. One of the earliest toll moments, such as back in 1091, estimated winds of up to 200 miles an hour ripped wooden London Bridge apart, and the Church of St Mary le Bow in the City of London was badly damaged. As the storm clouds have brewed, taking life and pride of forecasters who spend many hours of perfecting their trade to help reduce the risk of harm, a sober reminder of who's in charge. Nonetheless, the energy and the meteorological vistas released across our planet attracts media attention and fascination to the ever-growing number of storm chasers, aided and abetted by digital toolboxes of data and capturing devices to share with the world. Who's to say we don't get rapturous displays of lightning across our skies, or the extreme weather that makes you humble to the elements that wants to put you firmly back in your place. And regardless to the weather's magnitude or beauty, we can't help but talk about it and watch its wonder to what Mother Nature wants to share.